In this video, I will show you how to use BullX Neo. If you want to try out BullX Neo and you haven't yet, you can check it out by clicking on the invite link on the description box. So to get started, go ahead and click on that description link. That will redirect you into this section. So as you can see in here, you can simply create an account on BullX Neo by hitting on that login button. That will redirect you into this. So in this section, you'll be able to find BullX Neo's website. So your Telegram information would be synced into this website, and what you'll be able to get in here is your private keys for your wallet that you can use to connect into another cryptocurrency wallet like Phantom Wallet. Click on the top right of your screen, and in here you'll be able to find all of the options that you have. Now by heading over into the explore section, you'll be able to find the latest when it comes to the available cryptocurrencies on BullX. You can buy a cryptocurrency on BullX for as long as you have added funds into your BullX Neo's account. So to be able to do that, you need to connect your BullX Neo's account wallet into your other cryptocurrency wallet and add your funds from there into this wallet. Once you have added your funds, you can simply buy the cryptocurrency you prefer and sell it at the same time in this platform. And that is how you can simply use BullX Neo. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.